So I will be taking this cutoff disc, and I'm trying to get rid of this to just make it a single scoop, because this shit's fucked up, it's broken, it's just not a pretty hood. So I'm trying to make it a little nicer, you know? I already got this part off. I don't even know the fucking fuck, how'd it go? And besides the point, I'm gonna cut this centerpiece, and then we're gonna fiberglass it to make it smooth. Then we're gonna Bondo it, sand it down, fix all this shit, get rid of these, and get some arrow catch pins, because these piss me off. I hate these. Don't ever get these. Yeah, so we're gonna cut that, fix the hood, we're gonna sand it down, and we're also, well, I don't know if I want to do it because I don't really have an approach to it, but I want to get rid of these as well, just so it's only this main scoop in the mix. But as you can probably tell, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing, but this will be a learning experience for all. You ready? And also, I only have one of these cutting discs, so if this shit breaks, I'm gonna be fucking pissed, because I have to go to the store and buy another one. So we're gonna try and make this one last as long as possible. Damn. Yeah.
Shit broke already?
It fucking like almost came undone. That would have been bad. That would have been spooky. Damn. Alright. Fuck. Get proper tools, because these are cheap Harbor Freight tools. Get real. These. Shit, man. Looks alright, you know? Looks alright. Looks good. After like, fuck, maybe 2 of these little cutting wheels, I decided that the ones that this little Dremel came with were complete ass. So I went to Home Depot and got like diamond ones. The diamond ones are like 17 bucks. So I bought that, and I finally got some progress in. So now all I gotta do is sand this down completely, smooth it out, smooth that out, and then reinforce it with some fiberglass, and then put body filler on it. And yeah, I think that's it. I have no auto body skills, but hey, gotta work what you got, you know, because it's hard out here. I got that shit as flat as I could. I'm still working on it. But I think after that I'm gonna do some cleaning. I'm gonna clean it so I can lay down the fiberglass, And then after that, hopefully it comes out the way I imagined it and it's smooth. And then I'll lay down some body filler and then smooth that out, let it sand or let it dry, and then I'll sand. Yeah, but that's pretty much it right now. It doesn't look like much, it looks like shit. But my hood's fucked up, cracks everywhere, so I'm trying to fix it, give it a new look. I just want a big scoop. I didn't like this whole thing in the middle. Like, for some reason it just, yeah, like I didn't like it. I didn't like how it looked like two big ass scoops. So I think the one look is gonna look a lot better. It's gonna look more aggressive. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't know what I'm doing. Like I said, I'm not a professional. I know people are gonna fucking say like, oh, you're doing it wrong, but hey, fuck it. I put some filler in, got it as smooth as possible, you know. Looks like shit right now, but after I put some filler in all these little parts, I kind of did the middle part, which I still need to completely finish off and sculpt so it looks half decent, you know. It's coming. But I say by the end of the week we should be done.
Yeah.
I've been fucking sanding this shit by hand all fucking day.
Carbon fiber in your nose.
Yeah, this is a carbon fiber hood.
Yep.
I know, but it was a shitty fucking carbon fiber hood. Like, yeah, it was fucking shit. It was fucked up. Yeah, I didn't want to spend my money on it because I was gonna get an OEM hood, but since I already had this and it's content, so fuck
Big
it.
content.
Let us know what you guys think so far.
Yeah,
You know, it's kind of a work in progress, but
and we're in no way professionals. This
Yeah.
is all on a whim. We
literally,
haven't even looked this shit up.
literally, first time I've ever done anything like
Hands-on.
like body work on my car. And since we're gonna be drifting, going to a lot of events and shit, we thought we put those fucking
brains to work.
yeah, those brains to work, because these skills are gonna have to come in handy pretty soon. Yeah, we got a bunch of shit coming up, so I don't know. So yeah, that's pretty much it. We just wanted to kind of keep you guys updated. I don't know who the fuck's watching this. If anyone does, you know what I mean? We just kind of wanted to like do what we're doing,
I don't know.
and we just thought like it was pretty interesting, so we thought we'd film it. So yeah. Well, anyways, see ya.
See.